function is important in cervical myelopathy and is key to suspecting the diagnosis. There are several reasons why it may be advantageous to perform cluster tests together to help form a clinical diagnosis. In 2009, Cook and colleagues stated that most of the tests, when performed in isolation, fail to provide significant screening or diagnostic power. Thus, it has been suggested that tests should be used in combinations or clusters during screening for cervical myelopathy. Hegedus and colleagues also observed that while there is a great deal of research on special tests, much of the research is of a lower quality, implying that the metrics from that research, sensitivity, specificity, and likelihood ratios is likely to vary greatly in the hands of different clinicians and in varying practice environments. Confirming this, and after measuring the sensitivity, specificity, and likelihood ratios of 7 common tests for cervical myelopathy, Cook admitted that the moderate to substantial inter-rater reliability that they found for their 7 orthopedic tests was likely due to having 2 very highly practiced clinicians and a population that was skewed towards having positive findings, and that such reliability may not always be reproducible in a clinical setting. Thus, clustering may help to reduce the impact of error in a single test by compiling evidence from multiple tests. On a practical note, Miller in 2007 pointed out that having a set cluster of tests prepared for testing a differential diagnosis reduces wear and tear on the patient by keeping positional changes to a minimum. This will also improve the flow and professionalism with which the examination is performed and will reduce the time needed to reach a confident